Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sugar Grove, or near Aurora, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Lisle, Yorkville, Montgomery, North Aurora, Warrenville, Winfield, Sugar Grove, and Boulder Hill. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 263 and 264. Interstate 88 between mile markers 106 and 128. This includes Aurora University, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Walton C Community College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no weather.